Welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Inno3D GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card. So friend, the Inno3D RTX 4070 non-TI graphics card will indeed have an 8-pin power connector, and this is the confirmation of a one-day-old rumor that some RTX 4070 cards may appear without the new 16-pin. And friend, the packaging that was pictured and shared on social platform clearly mentioned that the standard 8-pin connector for this card, and given what we know about the RTX 4070 SKU, this would be the cheaper variant most likely to be sold near the MRP, which is not yet, and it is also one of the first RTX 4070 cards that we know to feature a dual fan cooling solution, and the RTX 4070 GPU is now accepted to feature an AD104-25X GPU with 5888 CUDA cores, and this model will follow RTX 4070 Ti by using 12GB DDR6X memory across a 192-bit interface, and the main difference apart from lower core count will be much lower TDP, reportedly 225 watt and 200 watt depending on the model. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.